Good morning, you guys. Hi. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you don't know me, you better get to know me because guess what? I'm not going anywhere, okay? Anyways, 8 a.m. in the morning and I am getting ready to go to the gym because my birthday is next week and your girl is turning 28. Yay. And I'm definitely feeling 28. Like, my life right now is, I'm going through a lot, okay? Just a lot of self-reflection and a lot of figuring out what I want in my life and what I don't and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna go for like an hour and a half. This week I will be taking you guys with me to all my appointments, getting my hair done, get my nails done, get my toes done, getting my, I already got a wax, so I don't need to do that. But all that fun stuff, you guys are gonna be coming with me, so keep watching. So I still got 5 minutes until my appointment time, so I'm just gonna wait. So yeah. Are you still with somebody or? Okay. I am back, y'all. 2 hours later and my lashes are back, okay? Now I just gotta get out of Philly before this traffic starts. I don't have time for this traffic. It's 2 p.m. I need to go home and it's hot. It's like 1,000 degrees right now. Yes, my lashes. Hey you guys, I am currently on my way to get my nails done. I just left the gym, as you can maybe tell. You'll ever rarely ever see me in a hat with my hair like this. Like, if you see me like this, just know something big is coming. Like, just know I'm about to pull it together in a few days, okay? But I get my hair done on Friday. Wait, what's today? What's today? I don't even be knowing the days of the week. Today is Thursday. Oh, I get my hair done tomorrow. I can't wait to get my hair done. Yes, I'm about to get right, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that little muscle right there? Y'all see that? I be working out for real. I'm not just playing around. I really do this shit. Now you rushing me.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what you was doing in the car. I said,
you saw me?
I was looking in the car like,
well, you spying on me.
just come on.
I was vlogging.
You talking to yourself? Sorry.
Or something like this. But you get the vibes. Like, it's gold. I'm gonna show you my dress.
Gold?
Yeah, this is my dress. Gold butterflies. Yeah, the small ones, right? It's not a lot.
Who's doing the work? Me!
But it's not a lot. It could be worse. But it gotta give.
It's going to. So
and it's supposed to rain on my birthday.
I heard.
Why? And what happened?
And then I started washing my clothes and folding my clothes and packing my bag.
When you wash your face, wash your lashes. Every day.
It's a whole different soap.
Exactly.
Slot.
You need to do it.
It's not right in my face.
Can you please do it? You're gonna notice your lashes last so much longer. Please.
Yeah, I already lost 4 lashes.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. They fall off.
Well, that's because you like to cry. And it's on that eye.
Whoa! We're at the Jamaican party, August 17th.
Where at?
The Carver, up the block.
Okay. I'll come.
Be there, be squared.
I'll be there.
All the Jamaicans will be there.
Woo! Sticker.
What? Look.
Yeah,
Get in there.
exactly. Hey guys, it's the next day and today I'm getting my pedicure and I'm getting my hair done. And I just pulled up to the nail salon and my appointment's at 10:15 and it is now 10:18, so I need to get my ass in there before they start tripping.
3 minutes, yeah. Okay, on the 9th of August, this the dip. 9 o'clock. Yes. And then on the 30th, the dip for the petty, August 30th.
Straight up in the air. Yeah.
Right?
My hair looks so crazy. OMG. I really went in there like this. They were like, oh my gosh, are you a YouTuber? And I'm like, yes, I am. And then they all were like crowding me, asking me like, what's my YouTube? And I wrote it down for them. And they were like, I'm gonna check it out. Da, da, da. Okay, now I have to go to, where do I have to go? I don't have to get the braiding hair, but I'm not gonna get the braiding hair until my appointment, which is at 3. So right now I'm gonna go to the bank and get cash because my braider only takes cash. So I might as well get that out the way now and get cash. And yeah, I know I have to do something else. Oh, I have to go to the mall. I have to go to the mall to find some shoes for my birthday outfit. I got a lot of shit going on. Let's go.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.